everyone. In today's video, we will fix the iOS 18 mirroring not working with macOS Sequoia, okay, on your iPhone 14, 15, and 16 Pro Max. So here is how easily you can fix this problem. So the step one is to verify the basic requirements. So you must be running on the iOS 18 or later on your iPhone. Check. You can simple open your iPhone, then after go to its settings, then after go to general settings. Here you will see once you are on a general settings, now click on software update. Now here it will check for new version. Right now you will see my version is iOS 18.4. Means I am up to date. The step 2 is to you can simple check the version of your MacBook. Your Mac must be running in the Mac OS Sequoia 15 or later. To check, you can open the settings. Then after you can go to software update, and here you will see my installed version is 15.4. Also, my Mac is up to date. The step 3 is to verify that the both device must be signed in into a same Apple ID with two-factor authentication. To check, you can simple go to the settings of your iPhone, and here you will see at the top your name. Okay, and also verify in your MacBook. If both the details are same, it means that you are signing with a same Apple account. You will see here the Apple account ID. Okay, the step 4 is to check the connectivity. Both devices need a Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth enabled. They should be close to each other. To check, you can go to the control center of your MacBook, and then here you will see a Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you are connected. Also, the Bluetooth it turns on. Okay, now we move to the main fixes. So the second fix is a restart both device. So a simple reboot can resolve many software glitches problem. So to restart your MacBook, you can simple click on the Apple logo on the left side of top of the screen. Then here click on restart. Now again tap on restart to restart your MacBook. Okay. So to restart your iPhone, you can simple quick press and release the volume up button. Quick press and release the volume down button, and then long press the side button until the screen turns into black. Like I will show you, quick press and release volume up, volume down, and then long press the side button. Now the slide to power of window appear. Now skip this window and keep holding the button, and then once the screen turns into black, now you can remove your hands from it. Then wait for some times until your device will be turns on. Okay. Step 3 is to check you can reset the iPhone mirroring connection. To reset, you can simple open the iPhone mirroring application. Once you open, here you will see iPhone mirroring. Then click on settings. Now here you can select authenticate automatically. Okay. Or if it's set to ask every time, and then after you can simple move continue. Okay. Or you can simple revoke access to the iPhone. And then after you can reset it. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.